that one's hard to lift up. Here. Thank you, Jakey. Oh, so good. Oh, too full. Too full.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, too full. Gotta take some stuff out. Here, why don't we take some stuff out? Here. There we go. Are we gonna keep that in there? Okay. Okay, we'll make room. We'll keep that in there. Organize it better. There we go. Oh, I'm sorry. Did I not put it in right? Oh, I'm sorry. Good boy. Oh, that one goes in first. Okay. There we go. Oh, look at that. Now it all fits. That's it, you're all done. And back out again. And this keeps going on and on.